Hello everyone. In this video, the mean value is given to us, median value is given to us and we want to find out missing frequency. Now here data set is given to us, class, that is class intervals 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and so on. Frequency values are also given to us 5, 12. Now this one is missing. So let us consider this one as A and this one as B. And the summation of Fi, that is frequency value, the total frequency is given to us, which is 100. Now for median formula, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into H. So for that we have to find out LCF value, which is less than cumulative frequency. So here 5 as it is, which is our first LCF value. Then add these two values 5 plus 12, which is equal to 17. Next is again this 17 plus A, so it is 17 plus A. Then 17 plus 20, which is equal to 37 plus A. Next one is plus B, so it is 37 plus A plus B. After that plus 10, so which is 47 plus A plus B, and 47 plus 4, which is equal to 51 plus A plus B. Now we know that this 51 plus A plus B, which is nothing but our capital N value, and this summation Fi is also capital N. It means that 51 plus A plus B, which is equal to 100, is our first equation. And using the median formula, we get the second equation. So let us first see that median is equal to L plus. This L is nothing but the lower boundary of median class. Now median is given to us, which is 44. In this question, see that median is 44, which is given to us. Now since median is 44, which is lie between 40 to 50. So this class is called as median class. So the lower boundary is 40. So let us write down here 40 plus. Now this n by 2 value, n is equal to 100. So n by 2 value is 50 minus this cumulative frequency is previous class frequency. Now see that this one is the median class and the previous class cumulative frequency is 17 plus A. So here is 17 plus A divided by frequency of that class, which is equal to 20. So write 20 here into this H is nothing but the class width of median class, and class width is nothing but the difference between upper boundary and the lower boundary of class interval. So here is 10. Now simplify this. So this is nothing but 44 minus 40, which is equal to this 50 minus 17, just open the bracket, divided by 20 into 10. Now 44 minus 40 is 4, which is equal to 50 minus 17, which is equal to 33 minus A divided by 2. So here 8 is equal to 33 minus A. So it is A is equal to 25. Now to find B value, we know that the second equation is, what is that second equation? The second equation is nothing but 51 plus A plus B, which is equal to capital N. And we know that the capital N value is 100. So 51 plus A plus B, which is equal to 100. Now A value is also known to us, which is 25. So 51 plus 25 plus B, which is equal to 100. So B is equal to 100 minus 51 minus 25. So finally our B value is 24. So in this way we can find out the value of A and B when the median is given to us. Thank you.